Hey everybody, it's Neil. Check out what I have here. I have what's called a little dump pouch. I'm going to show you what this is here in a second here. Let's open it up. So this is it here. It's like a little pouchy bag that you have. You see it's made by Cordura Fabric, I guess is what it is here. But so you have the mesh bag and you can put whatever you want in it. If you have tactical gear or whatever, it's got like a, this here, so you can connect it up, put your belt through it on this little loop here maybe, or even through here if you wanted to. So you have a few different ways to do it. You could even strap something around this top section here and Velcro it in, so you can connect it up to a lot of different things. I may even end up putting it on my bike handlebars, so it'll hold some things up in there. And then you have the little straps here, so you have just a different variety of ways of connecting it up. So you have that, the belt will go through there. These straps here, do they have loops even? I don't know, but lots of different ways of holding things up here. You've got a Velcro something going on here, so I'm not sure. I guess you could even take this strap and go backwards so you can make a really big loop. But you have lots of different options with this one here. And then in here you can keep, whatever you need in there. It's got a nice big pouch, so I like it because I can put huge water bottles and stuff as I'm biking around with that in there. It'll fit pretty much anything. Even my phone case, fit my Bluetooth speaker, probably even in the box. But so I can put that, just whatever you want in there, and then you can cinch it up with the little clippy thing here so it'll stay closed. So it's a nice little bag to have handy that'll connect onto almost anything. Could even be a great little beach bag to take too. So you can just have anything with it. It's just great to have a little, whatever it's called, the little cinch bag, whatever it is. But super nice, super convenient to take anywhere, and really durable. Look at this fabric on here. It's not like a cheap mesh bag. This is going to be, really strong, more than just any kind of little laundry bag or something. This is good, and it's nice and lightweight too. I love it. So this is awesome. Thumbs up for me. Ready to go put it on my bike now.